Good morning, dear parents and dear children. Today we are going to start with the GH subject, subject, and today's topic is myself and my face. This is me and my face. Okay, first of all, we will start with the topic. This is me. So before starting the topic, this is me, we will sing a rhyme song. I am special. God has created us in a very special way that we should always remember. God has created us in a very special way. Okay. So before going ahead, we will like to sing a rhyme song. Okay, let's start. One, two, three, start. I am special, I am special, look and see, look and see. Someone very special, someone very special, me, 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 me. I am special, I am special, look and see, look and see. Someone very special, someone very special, me, 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 me. So we are all special, whether it be a boy or a girl, we are special. In God's eyes, we are all one, we are all special. That's why He has created us in the form of a human being. That's why, yes, हम सब special हैं, हम सब कोई special है, इसीलिए भगवान ने हमें इंसान के रूप में पैदा किया है ना. सो टुडे वी आर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वी आर स्पेशल. That's why we have come to God has created us in a very special way. So each one has his the own name. God has created us in a special way and He has given us special names. We are whether it be a boy or a girl, everyone is unique. So today we are going to learn in This Is Me. There are 3 sentences we are going to learn every day. First is my name. You have to know the full sentence. My name is Aradhana Kandulna. The full name. Or my name is Mrinal Thakur. This is the full sentence. You cannot say what is your name? Mrinal Thakur. No. You have to say the full sentence. My name is Mrinal Thakur. I am a girl. I am 3 years old. The full sentence. You need to practice the 3 sentence fully. How old are you? 4 years. No, this is not the way. No. You have to learn the whole sentence orally, nicely. Practice every day. My name, I am a boy or a girl, I am 3 years old. Again we will do, I have given an example of a girl. Now I will give an example of a boy. My name is Arshiv Bharadwaj. My name is Arshiv Bharadwaj. I am a boy. I am 3 years old. The full sentence has to be learnt orally every day. Every day, parents, I request you to ask your children after they practice. Every day keep on asking so that it becomes a practice for them, and so that anybody can, if anybody asks them, they can freely answer. What is your name? How old are you? And are you a boy or a girl? That's it. And next we have the topic of my face. So before starting the topic of my face, we will sing a rhyme song, that is Chubby Cheeks. I suppose most of you know Chubby Cheeks. So once again we will do with action. 1, 2, 3, start. Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too, teacher's pet. Is that you? Yes, yes, yes. So this is the rhyme song, Chubby Cheeks. You also should practice this. It's a very nice song with all the parts of your face especially. Okay, once again we will repeat this. 1, 2, 3, start. Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now we will learn the parts of the face. First of all, the head. Head, then comes the hair. We will repeat this again. Head, hair, eyes, eyes, eyebrow, eyebrow, forehead, forehead, ears, ears, cheeks, cheeks, nose, nose, lips, lips, teeth, teeth, tongue, tongue, chin, chin, neck, neck, shoulder, shoulder. So these are the parts of the face. But you should know only any 5 parts of the face. You shouldn't know everything because there are too many parts. You should only know 5 common things. That is the eyes, nose, lips, cheeks, chin and ears. Again it can be more than 5 also. 5 to 6 you should know. That is compulsory. You should know 5 at least. Eyes, head, nose, lips, cheeks, ears. Okay children, you will learn the parts of the face, at least 5 parts of the face you need to know. Parents, please guide your children and show them pictures of parts of the face. Okay, since I have one picture. Yes, with me. This is the part of a face. I am showing you an iPad which is not coming clearly. Listen. Okay. You can also point to your parts of the face and let them practice every day so that it becomes very thorough to them. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much.